What up? Call me Cape, and let me tell you about my time at the G-Shock store here in New York City down in Soho. I found out they offer repair services, so I had to take the opportunity to get the buckle fix on my black and gold edition GA-110. After filling out the application, I gave them my watch to be repaired because of all the wear and tear it's taken on over the years. So listen, with the various collections on display at G-Shock Soho, I honestly felt like a kid in a candy store. With unparalleled toughness and style, G-Shock takes the wrist game to legendary heights. As one of the most durable watch brands on this side of the universe, G-Shock marks its 40th year anniversary with the release of the Recrystallized series. Based on the classical model, these 3 timepieces present an innovative take on the brand's original design. After my experience in Soho, I had to share the excitement. And to do one better, you can easily check out more G-Shock online. Just click the link below and join the movement.